Hi guys, this is Austin again. I have a 2015 Chevy Tahoe LTZ 4x4 with some really nice features on this 4x4. It's a 5.3 liter. These 5.3s are, I think, a little over 330 horses now. This one does have the heavy duty tow package. You pop the plate down there, there's your tow hitch. This one does have all the parking sensors on it. It's got some really cool features, and I'll show you when I go inside. I just wanted to give you a walk around the outside. Tires are all like brand spanking new. I have this color gray, and I'll tell you, it holds up well. Meaning, when it gets dirty, it's hard to see. So I love that color. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. So anyway, power windows, power locks, of course. It's got the memory seating, the easy exit feature, Bose system, saddle stitch, black leather interior. The seats are heated and cooled. I think it's 8-way power seating, 12-way if you consider the headrest. So you got the headrest, you got the power tilt telescopic steering wheel, the parking sensors, a lane alert. If you go out of the lane, the steering wheel starts shaking, let you know. You get back on the road. Adjustable pedals. Kind of has a trailer braking system, so you adjust the trailer brakes, and then of course transmission braking. All your four-wheel drive switches. It's a nice vehicle. It has the power sunroof in it. I think we could probably go on for days and days. So this one does only have 115,000 on it. So when you look at this, pretty cool. Check it out. Voila. Throw your phone in there, plug it in, it'll charge the whole time. It has Bluetooth too, it has navigation. So I mean, it's a sharp setup. AC and cooled seats, heated seats, right? All climate control, rear climate control. It does have the power tailgate. This is captain's chairs. Keep your kids separated if you have to. So hold on, let's open this this rear gate, see what we got. Backup cameras there. There's your seats. They are power, and you can even fold the second row down, and then you can put the back row down, and now you can go ahead and fit a bunch of stuff. So I mean, this is a nice vehicle. We'd rather see it in your driveway than ours, but come down, we'll put a tag on it, let you drive it, and make you part of the Commuter Cars family. So we shall see you soon. Thank you.